hold the channel from the top.
Measures 11, right?
Oh, make sure.
Mark it. This is the right side.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Take out the bolt and push the slider out a little bit. Okay, push out a little bit.
The thing goes in. Okay.
Okay.
Let the glass go inside the gap.
Okay.
Look.
Okay, so insert the glass.
Into it. Let me get it.
Push the glass out a bit behind the bolt, right? Like about this much.
The glass can go to.
So the glass can slip in between. Okay, so now the glass is in.
Now it's in.
So now the glass is in.
Take the tools out.
So now the glass is in on the track. So what's next?
Where's the plastic?
Put back the
Top channel.
plastic channel.
Remember I told you?
The top channel.
Slice.
Now put back the plastic channel on the top.
Slice.
Slice it back.
Yeah.
So that's it. Now put back the bolt
And tie it.
and tighten it so it's done. Oh.
Worry, okay?
Put back the cover.